Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to pair program with Codeium. Pair programming can enhance your coding efficiency and learning experience, and using Codeium can make the process even more seamless. So let's get started. First, make sure you and your pair programming partner both have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editors. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new project or open an existing one where you want to pair program using Codeium. Set up a collaborative coding session using a tool like Live Share in VS Code. This allows both of you to work on the same code base simultaneously. As you begin coding, Codeium will provide real-time suggestions for code completions. Both you and your partner will see these suggestions in your respective editors. Discuss these suggestions provided by Codeium with your partner. Now decide together which suggestions to accept by pressing tab or enter button. This collaborative decision-making process can lead to better code quality. Leverage Codeium's intelligent code completions to reduce the amount of boilerplate code you need to write. This not only speeds up development but also ensures that your code follows the best practices. Use Codeium to flag potential issues and errors in real time. Discuss these flagged issues with your partner and decide on the best course of action to resolve them. Take advantage of Codeium's documentation suggestions to ensure your code is well documented. Proper documentation is crucial, especially in a pair programming environment, to maintain clarity and understanding. Customize Codeium settings to fit your pair programming workflow. Adjust the number of suggestions, trigger settings, and documentation preferences to streamline your collaborative coding experience. Regularly review and refactor your code with Codeium's insights. It can suggest improvements and optimizations, helping you and your partner maintain a clean and efficient code base. And that's it. By using Codeium in your pair programming sessions, you can significantly improve your coding efficiency and collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.